Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. So our today's topic is how to set up NETGEAR AC2000 Dual-Band wireless router. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this NETGEAR AC2000 router setup is one of the best. The NETGEAR AC2000 is a high-performance dual-band Wi-Fi router that delivers fast and stable internet using 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. TT supports multiple devices smoothly. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. In the beginning, unbox the extender box. Inside the NETGEAR AC2000 router box, you will find the AC2000 dual-band wireless router, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable for connecting to your modem. It also includes a quick start guide to help you set up the router easily and quickly. Now connect your internet modem to the WAN/internet port of the router using an Ethernet cable. Plug the power adapter into the NETGEAR AC2000 Dual-Band 4x4 wireless router and turn it on. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. Connect to the router. On your phone or computer, connect to the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, printed on the router label, or use an Ethernet cable to connect directly to the router. On your connected computer, open a browser, like Chrome or Edge. In the address bar, type http://192.168.1.1 or http://routerlogin.net. A login window will appear. The username is admin and password is password, default, lowercase. The NETGEAR setup wizard will open automatically. Select Yes to allow the router to detect your internet connection. Choose your ISP connection type, usually dynamic IP. Click Next and wait for configuration. Go to Wireless Settings, on the left menu. Enter your network name, SSID, choose something unique, e.g., HomeNet. Set security options to WPA2, PSK, AES, if supported, and create a Wi-Fi password. Click Apply to save your settings. In the NETGEAR Genie dashboard, go to Advanced Administration Router Update. Click Check to see if a firmware update is available. If yes, click Update and wait for the process to complete. The router will restart automatically. Now your NETGEAR AC2000 Dual-Band 4x4 wireless router setup is complete successfully. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.